Still here, same spot, same time, a little bit later actually. I wanted to show just on the two main crops that I grow that I like. Just the main ones. You can see the black spot on the sorghum as well. That's sorghum. You see some of it's still. Where's a good example? So it's there. You go, right there. See how it's still a little green? A little green, but it still has a black spot. Sorghum's good like that. So that black spot, that means the embryo is mature, and it's on sorghum and it's on corn. I really wanted to stress that it's on both, right? It's not just one or the other. You know what I mean? Then I'll talk about how I'm selecting this stuff, right? Why do I grade this stuff better, including stuff that has, a horrible. I mean, like that looks. Look at that. It's only like partial. I am relying on the plants. The plants are telling me their capacity. When I see something like this, right, I know that this is just ones that didn't receive pollen because I didn't have a large enough pollen cloud. You need to plant a lot more, and next year I'm planting a lot more because I'm getting the seed for it. Anyways, new genetics. So, when I look at stuff, right, like this is still a little green. We'll see if it'll make it. The potential the plant said is I'm going to produce a cob this size. But the pollination reality said this is what you're getting. And so when I'm looking, these two are like the unicorns of this is just, the colors are incredible. Orange and white produce this. That's all the hidden alleles with color. I'm just saying. So, this one here, the plant said, I'm going to produce this big cob. And I have something similar to this in the other room, but, I use that for, pictures and stuff. It's just so pretty. And you guys saw that in a different video. But, so that's what I graded on. I graded on the plant's own innate potential, right? Like this cob right here is very beautiful, right? But it's a little stubby, right? Nothing wrong with it, right? I mean, this is very viable and amazing. Life-producing stubby. This is a great size. It really is fantastic size. But the thing is, the plant said this is all it's going to produce. Now, this might be a secondary cob, or it might be the first cob, and that's fine. This size is amazing. Regardless, one seed produced all these. So when you're talking about food, even something like this is fantastic. This is a great size.